Okay, types of bones. Okay, this is the long bone because it's physically much longer than it is wide, and there are two ends. So the end of the long bone is the epiphysis, and when it's closer to the point of attachment, it is the proximal epiphysis. The other end then is the distal epiphysis. The epiphysis then form the joints. And the shaft then is the diaphysis, and this is where the extension and the support of the bone comes from. So that's the center part of the bone. Now another type of bone then are the short bones. And the short bones are here, these short bones in the ankle and the short bones here in the wrist. And they are approximately as wide as they are long. And these then enable us to move joints in multiple directions. As these short bones slide past each other, they can allow us to do multiple movements of those particular joints. Another type of bone then are the flat bones, and they are then physically quite flat. And see, these flat bones then are for protection of internal body organs, and for attachment. So a lot of muscles, ligaments, and tendons will attach then to these big varieties of flat bones. The fourth type of bone then are the irregular bones, and like these bones that make up the vertebrae and have an irregular shape to them. So there's multiple shapes, and these are considered irregular bones. Again, they are for protection, they are for support, they are for attachment, and they allow movement also. So these then are the irregular bones. The fifth type of bone then are the sesamoid bones. And the sesamoid bones then are found in ligaments and tendons. They're found within the tissue. They are not connected directly to other bones. And so we have sesamoid bones here on our knee, and we have some here in our wrist. Now I have multiple structures and markings of the bones, and one of the markings then are the sutures, and the sutures then are solid joints, and these were formed when a person completes their process of growing and developing. Now before they were sutures, they were soft spots filled with a membrane, and these then are the